Good morning, students. Uh, this is your tutor Wambinji. Okay, I am a student. Okay, pursuing my masters in mathematics. Um, that is content at the University of Zambia. Okay, at undergraduate, I did mathematics single major. Okay, so I just wanted to help people who have issues to do with calculus. So today I will post a simple video on YouTube on how to differentiate. Okay. So left taking water. Okay. So differentiation is a simple topic in calculus. So by definition, calculus is just a field of mathematics that deals with differentiation and integration. So for example, if I say y is equal to 3x squared plus 4x plus 2, and if the question was to say differentiate this equation with respect to x, so I'll call this my dy dx to mean I'm differentiating this equation with respect to x. Okay, so here what I'll just do is, the principle behind the differentiation is you times and take, or it's just a multiplication and take. So multiplication and take, what I mean is you times and take. So what I mean is I have to get this power, the power 2 here. I'll say 2 times 3, then I have to take a 1 from these 2. Okay, so this will be 2 minus 1. So it's a times and a take, Okay, the same applies here. I'll say my power here is 1. I'll get this 1, bring it down here. I have to times this and take a 1 there. And then I know to say this constant 2, it has also a variable x, but the only thing is this variable is raised to a power of 0, because any number, any letter to a power of 0 is always 1. So if I get a 0 here, okay, I times this. Okay, so a 0 times this. Okay, even if I was to take this x to the power of 0, I take a 1 here. I know to say any number, okay, anything times 0 in mathematics is always 0. So I'll say my dy dx here will be equal to 2 times 3, I get a 6, then over x to the power 2 minus 1 here is a 1. No, there's a 1 here, but we don't have to write this 1. We can only write the power starting from 2 going upwards. So I'll get the plus here, the operation plus, I'll bring it here. And then I'll say 1 times anything, 1 is our identity. So it won't change anything here, but this 1 minus 1 is a 0. And we know to say anything to the power of 0 is 1. So here I have 1 times, which is 4. Then 4 times this 1 here, I have a 4. So I have a 4 here. Then I know to say 0 times anything in mathematics is just 0. Okay. So I'll say my dy dx is this one. So I'm done with my differentiation. So I've differentiated this equation, okay, with respect to x. Okay, that is all about differentiation. There is nothing that is about differentiation that I've left out here. The only principle is when you are differentiating anything, all you have to do is to do what? Is to multiply, or you times and take. Okay, so you will see the difference when we'll be looking at integration on the other hand, which is the opposite of times. You know, it is division. Okay, then the opposite of taking away, that is minus, is plus. But when we look at differentiation is mean from the word differentiation, it's a difference. So we have to multiply. After multiplying, then we take away something. Okay, that is differentiation. I only hope people will appreciate this. It's just an introduction to calculus of differentiation. For people who think calculus is difficult, okay, you should be able to understand and say everything. If you take it to say it is difficult, you can't do it. And the most important part with mathematics is the foundation. You need to be very much stable with the foundation of anything for you to do great things in future. Okay, that is all about this differentiation, people. If you have questions, if you have anything, you can still check on me on Facebook. Just type Wambiji the Mathematician, find my page, then post your question there. Then there is my number there. You can send your questions on my WhatsApp, then I'll respond to that. I just love mathematics, and I would wish to make people that feel mathematics is hard for them to appreciate it and understand it. Thank you very much. If you love the video, please go down, subscribe. Okay.